A 10-mark question often requires you to integrate knowledge from multiple topics within Units 3 and 4. Since 10 marks represent a significant portion of the total marks available in SACs and exams, it's essential to approach these questions correctly. Here's an example of a 10-mark question relevant to Area of Study 2 in Unit 3. Example. Question. Define the term corporate culture. Identify and explain 3 performance indicators that might suggest an organization has a positive corporate culture. Identify the management style you believe would be most conducive to developing a positive corporate culture. Provide a detailed analysis to support your choice of style. This question has multiple parts, so breaking it down is crucial to ensure you fully understand and address each component. Here's how you can approach it. Highlight the action words. Start by highlighting the key action words in the question, such as define, identify, explain, and provide. Understanding what these words require is essential for crafting a precise response. For instance, define asks for a concise explanation of the term, while explain requires you to elaborate on how and why something occurs. Underline key terms. Next, underline the critical terms that will form the basis of your response, such as corporate culture, 3 performance indicators, positive corporate culture, conducive, and detailed analysis. These are the core elements that must be addressed to secure full marks. Identify connecting words. Identify any connecting words like and, which indicates that all parts of the question must be addressed in your response. Circling these on the page can help ensure you don't miss any critical aspect of the question. Structuring your response. A well-structured response is vital in a 10-mark question. Use paragraphs to clearly separate different parts of your answer, making it easier for the assessor to follow and award marks accordingly. Now let's answer the question, Step 1. Definition of corporate culture. Start with a small paragraph that defines corporate culture and introduces its importance. For example, corporate culture refers to the unwritten and informal rules, as well as formal values, shared by all within an organization. A positive corporate culture can lead to benefits such as improved public image, increased sales, and enhanced staff motivation and productivity. Relevant KPIs. Move on to a new paragraph focusing on the 3 performance indicators relevant to corporate culture. Ensure that you not only identify these indicators, but also explain their relevance to corporate culture. For example, one key performance indicator, KPI, is the results of staff satisfaction surveys, which gauge employees' happiness and expectations at work. High satisfaction levels suggest a positive corporate culture, particularly in areas such as teamwork and consideration of employee needs. Another KPI is the rate of staff turnover. Low turnover rates indicate that employees are satisfied with the organization's culture and are less likely to seek employment elsewhere. Finally, customer satisfaction surveys can provide insights into the organization's corporate culture, as high customer satisfaction often reflects strong, positive internal values. Management style and analysis. In the final paragraph, discuss the management style you believe is most conducive to fostering a positive corporate culture. Provide a detailed analysis to justify your choice. For example, the most appropriate management style for developing a positive corporate culture is the consultative style. This approach involves two-way communication between managers and employees, allowing employees to contribute their ideas and opinions. This inclusion fosters a sense of value and respect, which is essential for a positive corporate culture. Additionally, the manager retains decision-making power, which can help ensure fairness and consistency in implementing cultural initiatives such as Employee of the Month programs, further enhancing the workplace environment. Quick reminder: time management. 10-mark questions can be time-consuming, so it's important to allocate enough time to answer them thoroughly. However, be mindful not to spend too much time on these questions at the expense of others that also contribute significantly to your overall score. By breaking down the question, structuring your response clearly, and managing your time effectively, you can maximize your marks on these high-value questions.